Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase.
गाइए सॉन्ग गाइए प्लीज।
ना 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 मेरी बेरी के बेरू मत तो
कैरी ऑन कैरी ऑन कैरी ऑन कैरी ऑन। गाइए गाइए सब
ये गाना
Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand.
Good evening to all of you. We are here to give to be awarded, means those who will be awarded, those who have performed very well as a monitor, those who have been leading this class from 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 5 to 6.
Yeah, first 3 to 5.
Okay, 3 to 5.
You have to call
3 to
5
5 and 5 to 6. Sorry, because I was from the different batch, so that's why I remembered those. So I will directly call them, and they are thrice of them are very good, and they'll be given some time to speak about their experience, how class has been taken, and how they experience when they be monitored. Let's get started directly with calling Aditya.
So now you can say I will say. You can stand please. Right? Okay, so now as a monitor, take these 7 careful. Right? And now who want to speak on 3? I think Aditya, you should speak. And why you are getting this award as a student leader award? It's a big name. But someone you have to just promote the institute. So promote it.
So as you can see that this is the award we get in just a single second, but a lot of hard work I have to pay just to get this. Okay, and I want to say that my experience was totally fine, and I also want to appreciate you to be or to possess that position which I am here, or you can do more better than me which is my level. So that's about why I was going to say.
Again, we are going to call the leaders from the different batch. This is from 5 to 6, 6 to 7, or 7 to 8. They are the senior, and they have been leading class very well. And I definitely want to appreciate their hard work, their things, how they have gone through the tough situations, and they are here at a night. Directly, I want to call Ms. Dipanshu, Tushar, and Sabir. Please.
Clap for Dipanshu. Clap for Sabya.
No, sir.
You are also on here.
Shall I?
Yeah, you can take. Clap for Aditya. Who wants to speak?
Of course, if any of you.
Nothing. Tushar, Dipanshu.
Yeah, Tushar, you should.
Tushar, you can speak.
So this is very grateful for me, and not only for me, even for my friends too, and those who have done a lot of hard work. Therefore, we are standing, and basically, and the students with whom we were basically studying, they also did hard work, and the next time I definitely sure that they'll be having this award too. Thank you.
We have completed the leadership award. We are going to call the good speakers. Those who have been performing well, they are the best demonstrator who give back demo at the time. They can be anybody. They can be monitor. And there is no doubt that first they become good speaker, then they convert into the best monitor. So I will directly call Sagun with her team.
Sagun, very good. Who wants to speak? Yeah, Sagun, start. Only one person can speak, right?
Okay, so hello everyone.
Hello.
And, I hope you are fit and fine. And today, as you can see, that our team, that from 3 to 5 batch, we are getting this certificate for a
Speaking.
good speaker.
Yeah.
And I am really thankful to everyone over here, my monitors, like Aditya sir, he was also my monitor, and my all team, like here, I am very thankful for them, because with like together we have achieved this certificate, and it means a lot to me and my team. Thank you so much.
Now be ready, we are going to call the good speakers, good demonstrator, good speakers, those who have performed very well and have been performing very well this year. So we will definitely directly call Dipanshu with his team.
So, of course, that good evening to everyone, first of all. And I'm very glad that you are here in the presence of this party. And apart from this, actually not I only, that we are spoken as a good speaker here, and this is very glad to be listened. And apart from this, I am very pleasant about the people that who are present here, for them as well, and who are not, who are at their home just for some circumstances, for them as well. And apart from this, they helped me a lot. And this was my first motto to learn English here, as of course that everyone wants to speak a good English. So this was my first motto, and of course it has been completed today by me. So very thankful of us.
Again for the intermediate, because I'm looking that they have been performing very well and they are very competitive for the seniors basically, like me, like those who are performing, and I'm really afraid of them, and they are very good speaker. Let's call them first from 3 to 5. It's Gitanjali.
इंटरमीडिएट में 5 to 8 में और इनका 3 to 5. ठीक है, इंटरमीडिएट.
Yeah, this is very grateful moment for me, because I can't imagine that I achieved this, but yeah, I will definitely achieve this, and this is very great moment for me. That's all what I can say.
Okay, so for me this is very wonderful, because this is my first time that winning this medal and this certificate, and also I am a new student and I have joined this institute before 6 months, and for me this journey was very great and very appreciable.
Okay, so we lost the match, but although I am very grateful, or we are very grateful that at least we win the semi-final, and we are the team that who never ever won the final, but at least we have done, right? We have achieved a small task, and ever listen that small tasks sometimes get bigger. And I am the man of the match of the debate, and I can't imagine that, even I didn't think that how I can be, but it's totally unexpected.
Third positions, it's Himanshi from morning batch.
Yeah, morning
batch.
Second rank in morning, 8 to 10. Sabya's Adik का जन्म हुआ friend.
See, no.
They were clapping करके
And again, for the third position, we have this combat. We have this face right now.
Yes.
It's Sagun from Sagun, definitely.
Sagun got third rank student already, right? In this again clap for Sagun. has a third rank speaking. It is a repeated question. Right, her team
Like it's unexpected.
Yeah.
Because last time when I saw Aditya sir who won the student of the year,
ऐसी story बताया करो थोड़ा.
yes, I
inspire
was
हो जाए.
very happy at the time, and I wanted to be the student of the year next year. And I tried my best. I also did my best. I came regular. I did perform well at wherever I want to be. But I got the third rank, and it's really much for me, and I'm very happy because of it.
It's not easy because I have been the part of that, and I have tried twice and thrice, and ultimately I won this topic, that number punch positions. It's very well. You guys have performed very well from 3 to 5 and 5 to 8.
Before speaking the name, please ask me. जल्दी से मत बताना मुझसे कुछ.
Yes, definitely. I have learned this thing from you guys.
Yes.
Thank you.
अभी बताना नहीं, थोड़ा वेट करना है. आइडिया
Yes,
नहीं तो
sir.
पूछे तो सही कौन हो सकता है, कौन गैस करने के लिए.
Yes, I will definitely want to know by your side that who could be.
Dipanshu.
Any other?
Any other competitor?
Second, yeah, that could be.
रिटर्न का लिया और कोई सोम तो नहीं हो सकता. सोम.
Yeah, Shivam could be. Anyone who can guess?
3 to 5 में आप लोग गैस करो.
It's Aditya Bhai who has won already.
Thank you, but I was out from this competition. So without taking much time, without making you, I don't want to have you to have that another heart attack. So let us start directly. It's Dipanshu from.
And where is the first international champion? Yes, it's a grammar, right? Take this, and it is a lot today. तुम अकेले हीरो. So yes, थोड़ा सुनेंगे भी हम आपको, जल्दी से नहीं जाने देंगे. आप सोचो कि हम जल्दी से बैठने देंगे आपको, क्योंकि तुम्हारा ही चर्चा चलेगी अब 2025 में पूरे साल.
Thank you, sir.
Very good.
So first of all, that I would like to thank my brother, and I would like to name him Deepak. That I am the brother of Deepak, and whosoever I am today because of him and Jeetu sir. Jeetu sir gave me the stage of the podium where I can show or present myself, and my brother, he made me that much capable where I can present myself, right? And apart from this, I just learned many things from the people, from the guys who have been learning with me, and who learned with me, and who are gonna learn with me. So this is what. And apart from this, the thing which I find here that is supportive. The people are very supportive and they care about each other, and that's what I like here. And just because of their interest, just because of their that loving nature, I used to come here, and I come here and I hope so that I will be coming here. And apart from this, I love this, and this is unbelievable for me. Last time I won as a second.
दिखना चाहिए first, दिखना चाहिए जनता तक first.
Of course, sir.
Yes.
So last time I came second, but again someone told me that no one knows
Yes,
about
last time
second.
second, he came second.
No one knows about second, so that's why I wanted to come first, and of course here we are. So
Okay, so before we say, definitely I want to
थोड़ा
see,
सा
I want to hear
करोगे?
the name by your
Suspense
by your
करोगे?
mouth. That who can be the first?
Dipanshu.
Any?
Any? आगे तुमने दिया ना, तो अपना नाम क्यों नहीं ले रहे? अच्छा क्या हुआ?
So this is not again easy. That judge are from you can say that he is not in touch with the internet. He knows.
सूरज ने भी तो दिया था, तो साथ ने भी तो दिया था.
yes sir,
They know nobody. That you are the monitor, senior, that newly batch or newly admission, that old, you have spent some time. He knows nobody. He just judges behalf of your 5 minutes, 5 minutes to 6 minutes. Right?
Yes, only 5 minutes.
Only in behalf of the 5 minutes.
They don't know who's
Who's-
a monitor.
yeah.
Right.
That's what I said. That they don't know. They all are equal in front of them. The way you speak, everything is said. Everything is said. The way you speak, your attitude, your that facial expression, and of course your knowledge. that whatever they ask, do you sit mom or do you speak something? This is the welcome. So without taking much time, because definitely we need some time to celebrate. And one more thing, before this I said in my time there was hard clapping. In this, that clapping was nothing. So please clap very hard.
Clapping में थोड़ा दम होना चाहिए.
Yeah, so that I think so from outside
Video होना सर जब stand up ये लाएगा तो.
People can come to know that that somebody has won something. So direct, I would direct.
Spelling बोलो आज spelling. पीछे से बोलो पीछे से spelling बोलो. पीछे से बोलो spelling.
Sir, you can.
चलो फिर मैं call कर लेता हूँ. सर इस बार call अच्छा call तो वहाँ पे बजेगा ही नहीं. हाँ मैं बोल दूँ सर. Spelling बोलो ना spelling से क्या पीछे से spelling.
बीच में से
अच्छा बीच में नहीं last की spelling बोलो पार्ट क्या है.
Okay. Then I will tell the SH. SH.
SH.
Because from beginning, from the starting, you can guess. SH. There is a SH between. Can you guess? Okay, definitely Dipankar.
क्या both right. पांचू इसको मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ. झुकेगा नहीं. दोनों. वीडियो वाले ना आज.
Again, I would like to speak something that first of all I would like to say that the both trophies have come again in a home. Last year it was
This is from the in same batch, means he want to say in same batch.
In same batch, it is again in the home. Of course, that we are from the same family as well. He's my cousin. He's my cousin.
We have blood relation.
Yeah, we have blood relation. So this is why. And apart from this, many incidents and many cases are there. And guys, of course, that it is you that who have made me win this. And that's why I'm capable to hear because you were available there
also, I
too.
want to tell you, last year you got the which rank?
Second, sir.
And after that, before some days, any party you joined? Remember you said
Yes.
birthday I was
Yes,
sitting.
yes, yes.
Only थोड़ी स्टोरी को सुनाना वो क्या हुआ था क्या नहीं?
It
जब
was-
तुम्हारा नाम ही नहीं लिया था किसी ने.
Of course.
तो वो वाला थोड़ा बताओ उस टाइम कौन बना था क्या बना थोड़ा सा याद हुआ.
So, to be honest, that there was a day when I just joined this institute in the month of December. So I joined the party in December. It was in 2022.
22, right?
Where I was in the extra of debate team, and there were two people who won these trophies. One was from Simran, one was Simran from the 3 to 5, and one was Arpit from 5 to 8. And they both, not they actually, that only Arpit.
योग is sir.
It's Arpit sir.
Arpit, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Arpit can.
So
Simran.
Arpit was my
student of
Arpit
the
Bhai was my monitor. So there was a day when I was clapping for the people, and I said to sir, I just clapped. Nothing I did today special. So he said, just wait, Dipanshu, that in upcoming time the people will be clapping for you. And I was just waiting for that moment. Of course, that last time I also tried, but I didn't come first. And I was happy for him. I was very happy that he won last time, and I was really happy. And now.
So for that, how much you did the hard work? How many months, how many years you just took to get it?
I took around 25 months.
25 months, you can
to
calculate
more
25
than 2
months.
years. So that's why these trophies are in my hand. And this is just because of Jeetu sir. Jeetu sir believed me in that I can do good or I can be a good speaker. That's why I'm here.
चर्चा भी आपके
Otherwise-
इंस्टीट्यूट में ऐसे वैसे लेकिन
Yes, sir.
सामने तो मोदी जी की चर्चा ना
course, sir.
ऐसे ही दिमाग
Clap for him again.
Carry on, carry on. Carry on, carry on.
Didn't know that the honeymoon